Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is logo design. So let's start and make a logo. First of all, I will change here some color. Then I will go for the logo. So first of all, I have to go to the selection panel. Yes, go to the selection panel and select those. Select those, and then I will change its color. Change its color as black. So make it black, and then I will change its color and its color should be the which color will be the perfect here. I will take this color. I'll take this color, and now this circle stroke color should be the black. Should be the black here. You can see black, and this color should be the this color. Yes, and I will change its color. Sorry, sorry, here is a problem. Its color should be the black. Now then its color go for which color? Yeah, this color, perfect. And now perfect, I will change here this logo. And now logo, which logo will be better for it? So I will go to the this. No, it's not perfect. So I will take a stroke here, and sorry, I think yes. Okay, how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Now I am going to it. Uh, I'll make a copy of it. Yeah, sorry. I have to copy of it. Yeah. Now I will. Yes, how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. And now, okay. Now, so go for this, and I will. I'll make it. Sorry. Okay. Mm, this one should be here, and this design I will make arrange it on the back. Sorry. change it, change it. Okay, sorry, this and this. No, I will make it flip over it. 90 degree. That's how it look like. I think I will make it, arrange it. Uh, I turn it here. I will I will click it here, and I will make, sorry, here. Sorry, uh, sorry. Now how it look like? I think it look pretty good, and I will make it group, and now I will change its show color. Which color will be the perfect here? I think this color should be the perfect here. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good. I will arrange it. I'll arrange it backward. Sorry, I will make it, arrange it on font. No, I think it's not, it's not perfect. I will change this color now. Let me see. Sorry. Okay. No, I will make her something. Give her something. Sorry. Here. I'm go for the rectangular too. Sorry. I'll make its color. And now, sorry. Here is here is some problem. And now, how it look like? I will cut it down this portion with the shape builder tools, and now, I will change its color, make it red, make it red, and I will and I will arrange it on the font. And now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good to see that how. Now now it is fixed. Now it is fixed and it's look pretty good. You can see here. Now I am going to save here. Now I am going to save here. Sorry, I made a mistake here and I will fix the and I will now I am saving here and go for the export as PNG format and okay, replace it with the past, replace it with the past, and now today's class is at the end. I will show you the more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.